Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Question number 1. Do you have a favorite number?
Yes, 8 is my favorite number because it is both a lucky number in many cultures and a prime number.
Question number 2. Are you good at remembering numbers?
When it comes to remembering numbers, I'm typically pretty excellent at it. When I need to remember a series of numbers, I find it helps to correlate them with a specific image or story.
Question number 3. Do you often use numbers at work?
Numbers are a big part of what I do, so the answer is yes. Numbers are crucial to my profession, whether I'm analyzing sales data, creating a budget, keeping track of inventories, or making a prediction.
Question number 4. Do any numbers have special importance in your country?
The number 8 is regarded as fortunate in my culture. It's a symbol of luck, wealth, and achievement.
Question number 5. What numbers do people often have to memorize?
People usually have to memorize phone numbers, credit card information, social security numbers, birthdays, and addresses. People usually have to memorize phone numbers, credit card information, social security numbers, birthdays, and addresses. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.